Hello, I'm Kirti. I'm the CEO of the Alzheimer's Research and Prevention Foundation, and today I want to talk to you about the upcoming webinar that we have called Our Voice as Our Superpower. So when we were planning this webinar, I was so excited because we as practitioners of yoga and yoga teachers, as Alzheimer's Research and Prevention Foundation, we often get the question about how do you chant? How do I chant out loud? Is it okay if I kind of chant softly? And so that has made us reflect on these questions, and we wanted to provide an avenue for you to learn how to express yourself using your voice, which is through chanting for sure and our yoga practice, but also as a person, a speaker, or a person who presents in front of other people, or a teacher of any kind. And so we decided to put together this really fantastic webinar. I'm so excited to learn from Dr. Ramona Wiss, who is an expert professor of music and choral activities. And so she will be discussing all this with us. And I hope you'll take advantage of it because it's a really unique opportunity. It's not something that is talked about very much, neither in our yoga training or in our daily life. So I look forward to seeing you there and learning about the power of our voice. Namaste, Sanam.